Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we have a subscription box. Are you guys surprised? Not really. Okay, so this is a panty subscription box. This is called Gena Graceful. And if you'd like to see what came in this box, then just keep on watching. Okie dokie, you guys. So I need to know. Please let me know in the comments, what do you call underwear? There's many different names for them. There's underwear, there's panties, there is knickers, and what I call underwear is chonies, which is Spanish for underwear. So let me know down below what you guys call them, because I'm kind of interested what would be the most popular answer. Okay, so let's read up on it and then we will get into it. Pick your panties like you pick your attitude for the day. Inspirational quotes and cute undies. We have a coupon code, which is CreateJoy. You enter that at checkout for a special discount. These underwear come in sizes extra small to 2 extra large. The styles are a thong-only box, a no-thong box, and a mixture of all box. It's $15.99 a month. Not bad at all. This box ships on the 15th of every month, and it arrives in 5 to 7 days. It ships worldwide from the US. Each month you will receive 2 cute undies, along with inspirational quotes. Their collection is built around women being resilient, strong, smart, sassy, beautiful, classy, having humor, and having energy. They have a variety of styles, fabrics, and colors. This sounds so fun. I cannot wait to see what came in here. So again, this is the Gena Graceful. I will have a link to their CreateJoy store down below. It did come with the sticker off, but I think that's just due to the heat, kind of melted the stickiness on it. Okay, so we got a little note in here from the owner of the company. So besides that code I gave you guys earlier, they did give us a specific coupon code for this channel, and it is 25% off your first box. And that coupon code is my name, Kila. That'll be right here. And that code expires on October 31st, 2020. So we talked about the 2 choni subscription box, which is $15.99. They also offer a quarterly subscription, and it comes with 3 undies and inspirational quotes, which is $19.99. And shipping is included in the cost of the box here in the US, and then it will be economy shipping outside of the US. Yay! I'm so excited. How cute to have a personal note like that. I love it. Okay, so I think these are our quotes. So let's go ahead and do those first. When you first open it up, it says, pick your panties like you pick your attitude for the day. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that adorable? I really love it when subscription boxes actually take the time to make their box look so presentable and just so aesthetically pleasing. I love that. Okay, so first one, it's not who you are that holds you back. It's who you think you are not. The author is unknown, and the title of this card is Strong. And then our second quote is, beauty isn't about having a pretty face. It is about having a pretty mind, a pretty heart, and most importantly, a beautiful soul. Amen. That is what I believe. You cannot be beautiful unless your soul is beautiful. That's just how it goes. And this is the beauty card. I love that it comes with those. It says, are remarkable. Don't forget that. That's right. Don't forget it, because each and every one of you guys are special and unique and remarkable in your own way. And I love you guys so much. Let's pop into these. Okay. I hate ripping the nice packaging. Yay. So this is from the Strong collection. And that's what they look like. This is the thong. I did tell them I would get a mixture just so I could show you guys the different styles that come in here. So here is the little pattern on there. Look at those flowers. Those are cute. And then we got the cute little bow right up there up front. And these are the size 2XL. And they have quite a bit of stretch to them. So these are going to be great for a lot of different women. Oh, this part right here, just the solid purple part, is so soft and silky. I love that. The stitching looks very, very nice, and like these will last quite a while. These are very, very quality made. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the stitching on there, but that is really nice, and it's going to hold up for quite some time. I love that. Aw, that's pretty. Okay, cool. And next, here is the last one in here. This is from their beauty line collection, I think it is. And it comes with this little pin with these cards on it. So you don't have to rip anything off that could potentially rip the underwear in any way. So I love that. And here we go. These are the full. Here we are. I love me a good pair of black chonies. Are those sparkly? Oh, okay. I was like, is there sparkles in these? That's cute. But it's sparkles from the tissue paper. So here we are. Oh, okay, I thought maybe the lace was see-through, but it's not. That's what it looks like. That's cute. And then again, this fabric is really soft and silky. And then we have the little lace detailing around the edge. Little flowers on there. And let's see. These ones are also pretty stretchy. I like them. Oh, that's going to be so cute. Alrighty, so we got these chonies right here from the Beauty collection. And then we got this thong right here from the Strong collection. Oh, now I just want to like collect them all. Can you be an underwear collector in a good way? That is such a pretty flower on there. You see it? Yeah, there you go. Ah, that's cute. And I love how they got some room in there so you're not going to be like, can't breathe. Alrighty, so that is everything. And then, of course, we got our two most adorable quotes right here from Strong and Beauty to match our chonies. And yeah, that's everything I got in this box. What did you guys think about it? Is this something you would consider subscribing to? Here is another example of the other chonies they have. There we go. Bring the light to it a little bit. I really like these like tuxedo looking ones right here at the top. Those are cute. Or the ones down here. I like them. Alrighty, you guys. That is all I have for you. Like always, I love you guys so, so very much. And I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.